Hi dears, last class we learned parts of flowers, okay, and we discuss outside sepals, petals, and inside stamen and pistil. Okay, today we discuss about the parts of stamen and pistil. First we discuss about parts of a stamen. Okay, so let's discuss about the parts of stamen. So we know when we observe the stamen closely with the help of small lens, okay, and we can see two main parts, okay, two main parts, and each and every plants, the stamen shape, size are different, okay. For example, in some cases stamens we can see like this, okay, and maybe we observe, last class we observed brinjal flower, yes, that flower we can see stamen like this, okay. So each and every plant's the stamen arrangement is different. So today we learn about the parts of this stamen, okay. And in some plants we can see or we can observe the stamens are arranged like this. Okay, so stamens have two main parts. The first one is this long, sometimes it may be small. This part is called filament. Filament. Okay. So, and this uppermost part or yellowish color part called what? Anther. Anther. So two parts have stamens, have two parts. What are they? Filament and anther. Okay. Stamen has two flowers, two parts. Stamen has two parts, filament and anther. Long and narrow filament and uppermost side yellowish part which is called anther. In some flowers we can see or we can observe the stamens are joined to petals. Okay, some of the case they are free. We can identify the filaments and anther portion easily. But in some flowers, this anther and filament or this anther portion is joined to petals. Okay. So separation is very difficult. So we can easily identify whether stamen free or joined. Next we move to parts of a pistil. Okay. So here we discuss about the structure of pistil when we observe closely. So we can see this pistil is arranged like this. Okay. Pistil has three parts. Okay. Pistil has three parts. The first part is ovary, this bulge portion. The basal bulged portion is called ovary. Okay, and a long narrow tube-like structure is called style, and tip of the pistil called stigma. Stigma. Okay. So this pistil has three parts. basal swollen portion is called ovary, and the long narrow part of the pistil is called style, and the uppermost ricty part is called stigma. Stigma contain that juice, okay, for insects. Okay, stigma contain that nectar. It attracts the insects. Okay, sweet in taste. So when we observe this pistil closely with the help of a blade, cut it at the LS section and CS section. LS, which means the longitudinal section. Okay, CS, which means cross section. Okay, so when we take pistil, ovary, cross section and transfer section, what happened? What we can see? So when we take the LS, so what? The ovary portion. You can see here small bead-like structures. You can see inside the ovary. Okay. Small bead-like structures you can see inside the ovary. Okay. So when you take this is LS, longitudinal section. So when you take CS of ovary, what happens? A round section will be get, and when we observe this, here also you can see bead-like structure. Okay, this is the CS of the pistil. So these bead-like structures are called ovule. Okay, ovule. So we learned pistil has three parts: ovary, style, stigma. Okay, and when we take the LS of ovary and the CS of ovary, we can see small bead-like structures are present inside this. These bead-like structures are called ovule. Okay, today we learn about parts of pistil and parts of the stamen. Okay, so observe your surroundings, find out different flowers and observe inside and outside of the flower and find out the difference between each and every flowers. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.